Here we come to the elevator, the service elevator at the Manuel Pacheco Integrated Learning Center at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Hotchkiss hydraulic elevator with EPCO SurvivorPlus vandal resistant fixtures. We'll start by going up. This is a huge cab. GAL interlock. You can see up the shaft. And we'll go up to 2, and the door close button works. Here we are on 2, button goes out. We'll ring the bell. We can't do it up here because there's a key switch. Please do not close up on me. And here we go. Floor indicator is completely burned out. Capacity 5,000 pounds. This is elevator number 3. EPCO SurvivorPlus vandal resistant fixtures. ADA compliant phone built to the car station. Installed in 2001. Very nice cab. Stainless steel. This is a service elevator. Here we are on 1. We will take it on one more ride. This is an awesome elevator. This is a Hotchkiss, by the way. It doesn't have the logo, but I'm 99% sure it's a Hotchkiss. Since the indicator is burned out, we will watch the button go out this time. Here we are on 2. No classic leveling, unfortunately. I really like this cab. Let's ring the bell. This elevator runs pretty well. The only issue that I've noticed is that the indicator is burned out. We're on 1. We do have an annoying fan. That's just annoying. We'll ring the bell one last time. Indicator outside works, but not the one inside the car. Hall lantern works. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.